こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today we're going to learn the Japanese alphabet. There are 46 alphabet actually, and the other one is a little bit variations or combinations, but you must learn the first 46 alphabet. And today we're going to learn only the first 5 letters. The first one is this one, and a. This is the sound a, the same as in English, a. When you learn Japanese characters or Japanese alphabet, it's very important to write the correct order. And these are hiragana, and the first one, the first stroke is this one, a, this one. And you must write quite short line, but goes up, a little bit goes up to the right, okay? So to going up, this is the first. And the second one is this one, from the up, from here to down. But be careful, this is a little bit like a circular. This is not that just a line. This is a circular line. Go like here. So 1 and 2. Actually, this a is quite difficult, so please try many times, okay? And the third line, the third stroke is from here. So after this 1 and 2, and the third one is here. And so you know this is the first line, but inside of this first line, not from the outside. And from here, you are going to write the circle line here and circular, and after that it's like a circular, boom, like this. It's quite difficult, okay? So 3, so there are third, this is the third stroke. I told you that we are going to learn the first 5 letters of hiragana, and that is a, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. So the order is different because you say maybe I, O, right? But in Japan, we say a, I, U, E, O. So we learned this a already. So the next one is this one, I, I. So we are going to write I. Maybe you think this is I, and you think, oh, this is quite easy. But be careful, not so easy. Well, the first stroke is this one, I. So the left one, and a little bit jump. But this one is not a straight line. This is a little bit circular, and a little bit jump. Here, this one. And the second line, second stroke is here, 2, 2. So maybe you think this is like a little bit like this, little bit like circular. This is I. And if it's possible, this line, this point is a little bit lower than here. About the same, but a little bit lower. And this one is a little bit higher. 1 and 2. But be careful not to like this. Not like this, okay? So 1 and 2, it's like this. The first one and like this, okay. First one and the second one, a little bit like this, but not like this, okay? The first and second. After I comes U. U, A, I, U. U is this one, U. The first stroke of U is this one, 1. This is from here into the around about 45 degrees to the right down, like this. The first one, and second one is like this. This is a little bit circular, 2, and long. From here goes like this and circular. This is U. U. The important point is this: the first line is not outside of this one, so it's it's about in the center, inside of here and here, this part. This is the first line. So the first one and second one is from here, from the outside, from this first point, and this, but outside of also this point. So this, the first one, the first stroke is in the center. This is the very important point. After U, now here comes E. A, I, U, E. E is this one. First stroke is here, 1. So it is quite just about the same as U, like this one here. And the second stroke is all of this, 2. Okay, so all of this is the second stroke. So the second stroke, you must begin a little bit outside from this line, the first point. So you don't begin from here. So like this, a little bit outside, and you're going a little bit to the upper part, to the upper, not so too much, just just outside of this one, so to here. But this is quite just a line. It is not circular here. Line, and now you are going down diagonal. This is also a line, not a circular. Boom. And but half the way you return, then you will here a little bit as circular and going down and circular. This is not the angular. Boom. Circular, but and here stop. This is A. It's quite difficult. The first one is just the same as U, but the second one from a little bit outside to the up, and now we're going to go down diagonal. Boom. Then half the way we're going back here, then going back again, and to the right, and we stop. This is E. Now today is the last letter, O. This one is E and O. This one is O. The first stroke is quite the same as A. This one. Quite short one, a little bit going higher, going up. But this is quite short. But maybe you can write not just in the center of the paper, but a little bit to the left side, like this. This is the first line, 1. After this first stroke, the second stroke is this one, from the up, going just down, down. And now here, we are going to do the circle. Quite longer here. And you just let it go like this. From here to, okay, again, from here, go down and small circle here, and here this one is this one, and this one, this part is much longer than here, maybe twice or maybe more longer, also much outside from here, the longer one. And the last one, you just going back like this, the circle. This is the second stroke. And the last stroke is this one, like ting, ting, like comma. So this one is the third one. And the important is this stroke, this one, the last one is higher than this first line, okay? So this is the complete O. Now let's see again. A, I, U, U, E, O. O. I hope you are writing with me, right? Now please write this one. A and E. I, because this is a one vocabulary. This is a word. I, it means love. Love in Japanese. I. We're going to learn 10 vocabularies today. 10 words. So the first one was I. And the second one is only I. I. I, it means stomach. I. The third one, 3番目, the third one. Just imagine there are two I. This is I, right? So I, again I. So both, two. I. 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 It means good. Good. I. Can you read this? I. E. So ie. Ie, it means the house. Ie. Now the fifth word, 5番目. Just imagine there are two I. Not ie. Ie, this is house. But I, again. I. E. Ie. I. I. E. So two times. I. Ie, it means no. No. Ie. Ie. 6番目. The sixth. Only E. E. E means drawings or designs. 7番目. The seventh. U. E. Ue. Ue. Do you remember this? The first one, U, and the first one, E, is the same. But U is like the circle, and E is the line and like this. Ue, it means above. Above. Ue. 8番目. The eighth. A. U. Au. Au. This is the verb. Au, it means to meet someone, to see someone. Au. Au. The ninth. 9番目. This is quite difficult, but can you read them? A. O. Ao. 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 This is the color. Ao is blue. Ao. But these letters are quite similar, so please be careful. A and O, the first line is just the same, almost the same, the first line. But the second one is the different. Second one, A is going to here, so like this. It's a little bit circular. But the second one, O, is straight down, and after that, circular. Circular. This is O, but A is the second one is here, and the last one is with my cat. You can see it. The last one is from here, like this. This is A. A, I, O is quite difficult, right? So very similar. So please write them many times. Ao, it means blue. 10番目, the 10th, the last one, 最後です. Can you read these two letters? This one is O. O. This is I. O. I. Oi. Oi. This means nephew. Oi. Nephew. So you've learned 5 letters, Oi. Now please read it. What is this? This is U. U. And this one? O. O. This one? A. A. This one? E. E. I. I. Today we've learned 5 letters. A, I, U, E, O. Aiueo. And it's very important that you write them down many times until you can get it. Okay? It's quite difficult because it's so different from your alphabet. But if you don't know how to read this alphabet, maybe you cannot read any textbook. So it's very important that you must learn at first 46 hiragana. So we learned today A, I, U, E, O. So the next video we are going to learn kakikukeko. So see you next time. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。